name is Mr. Ganagale Pankaj. I am teaching you EVS second. Yesterday we have started our new chapter. Our chapter's name is Shivaji's childhood. Today's date is 22nd July 2020. Yesterday we have learned birth of Shivaji. We saw where Shivaji took birth on Shivneri Fort. Very good. So today we are going to learn about Shivaji's childhood. What we are going to learn? Shivaji's childhood. Okay. So see. First of all, I'll read it. You will pay attention properly. Okay. Put your index finger on line. See. Shivaji's childhood. Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled condition. Even so, Jijabai did not neglect his education. Every evening, she would light the household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. She would shower all her affection on him and tell him stories of Rama and Krishna, of Bhima and Arjun, Abhimanyu. On other occasions, she would recite to him the devotional songs of Namdev, Naneshwar or Eknath. Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of brave men. Shivaji felt that on growing up, he should also display valor like them. Jijabai used to tell him stories of many pious persons and saints that instilled in him a respect and honor for all saints and great men. This much we are going to see first. Okay, see. What is told in this paragraph now? Shivaji's childhood. Yesterday we have seen till Shivaji's birth. That time was unsettled time. Till today also it is unsettled. Means as per the lesson. When Shivaji was small, Shivaji's childhood. Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled condition. See, from his birth till his 6 years old, Shivaji passed his life in highly unsettled condition. How it is passed? In highly unsettled condition. Even so, Jijabai, who is Jijabai? Shivaji Maharaj's mother. Jijabai did not neglect his education. Even the situation was not good. It was not stable. Then also Jijabai did not neglect. Neglect means not to pay attention. Okay? She never neglect Shivaji's education. She knows education is very important for Shivaji's life, like your mother also. When you don't want to come to school, that time your mother tells you what? That school is very important, education is very important. If you get good education, you will be a successful person in your life. If you will be uneducated, no one will ask you, no one will come to you. Okay? You will not get your own identity. So like this Jijabai was knowing. So she did not neglect Shivaji's education. Every evening she would light the household lamps like your mother. Jijabai, what she did? Every evening she lights all household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. After lighting household lamps, she called Shivaji to her. And she showered her all love and affection on him. And then she told him stories of Rama and Krishna. What she does? She tells him stories of Rama and Krishna, of Bhima and Abhimanyu. Again, Bhima and Abhimanyu. On other occasions, she would recite to him the devotional songs. What she recite him? Devotional songs. How we recite tables in school? Yes. So like that, what she used to tell him to recite songs, devotional songs, which are sung by Namdev, Jnaneshwar, or Eknath. We have learned work of saints, Namdev, Jnaneshwar, Eknath, whichever songs they have sung, those songs who was reciting Shivaji in his childhood. And who told him to do this? His mother, Jijabai. Now see, Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of brave men. What is meant by exploits? Exploits means outstanding work. See, Shivaji liked to listen the outstanding work of brave men. We can see here courage also. Okay. Shivaji felt that on growing up, when Shivaji was growing up, he felt what he felt. He should also display valor like them. Valor means courage. When Shivaji was growing up, at that time what he was thinking, how these great people showed their courage, I should also show my courage. Jijabai used to tell him stories of many pious. Jijabai used to tell him many stories about pious. Pious means religions. Pious means religious. Pious means religious. Jijabai used to tell him stories of many religious persons and saints that instilled in him a respect. What instilled in him? Respect and honor for all saints and great men. So, the stories instilled in him what? Great respect about saints and other great men. Okay. Now see, next paragraph we will see. See, I forgot to show you picture. You can see on the screen picture. In that picture you can see Shivaji Maharaj and Mother Jijabai. Jijabai reciting him devotional songs. Sometimes she tells him stories of Lord Rama and Krishna, Bhima and Abhimanyu. Yes? Have you seen? Okay. So we will proceed to our next paragraph. See, put your index finger again there. Again we will read it and then we will get it understand. Children from poor family came to play with Shivaji. Sometimes he visited them in their huts and shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with great relish. Relish means great enjoyment. They invented interesting games to pass the time. The children of the Maulas were like birds in the forest. They would emit the sound of the cuckoo or parrot or tiger tiger to perfection. Their pastime was building small forts. Their pastime building small forts of earth and making earthen elephants and horses. They played hide and seek or played with a ball or top. Shivaji joined them in all these games and became popular with them. See, what is here now? We have seen how he has passed his 6 years. What Jijabai told him. Okay? So how he has started to give great respect to all saints and great men. Now, children from poor families came to play with Shivaji. Children from poor families, they came to play to Shivaji. Sometimes he visited them in their huts and shared their sometimes poor children were coming to Shivaji Maharaj to play with him. Sometimes Shivaji visited their hut and he liked to eat their simple meal. What was their meal at that time, those poor people's? Bhakri and onion. And with great enjoyment, Shivaji Maharaj used to eat the simple meal of onion and bhakri. Then these children invented interesting games. The children invented interesting games to pass time. To pass their time, they have invented new games. At that time, mobile phones were not there, so they were unable to play PUBG game. Yes, now you are playing PUBG game. Yes, this game is very harmful for us, so we should not play. Actually, I am thinking for study purpose only we should handle mobile phones, or to make an urgent call. That time only we should handle mobile phones. Otherwise, these mobile phones are very harmful for us. Okay, we should take practical knowledge, and with mobile we are not getting practical knowledge. Yes, mobile makes us lazy, so we should not play in mobile. Yes, so that time games were not there, so Shivaji Maharaj and his friends invented new games. See, which are those? To pass the time, children of the Mavlas were like birds in the forest, and the children of Mavlas, they were like birds in the forest. They would imitate the sound of the cuckoo or parrot to tiger perfection. See what they were doing? They would imitate. Imitate means to follow after. Imitate. Follow after the sound of cuckoo or parrot or tiger. What they used to do? Cuckoo sound, parrot sound or tiger sound to its perfection. When tiger rose, that time these Mavlas children, they were also following that sound to make its perfection. Their pastime was building small forts. Again, how they passed their time? To building small forts of earth and making earthen pots. Earth means soil. Soil pots or soil forts. Earthen pots. Again, earthen elephants or horses. Earthen elephants or horses. They played hide and seek or play with a ball or top, or they play with a ball or top. Shivaji joined them in all these games, and our Shivaji Maharaj joined them in all these games and became popular with them. And Shivaji Maharaj became popular with these children, these Mavla's children. So do you understand? Okay. So today's homework you will get at the last on the screen. Thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet with the same topic. Thank you very much.